job. Again.
1,
Go down.
3. That's fun.
Okay. 2.
Okay, here I go. That was my last fast one. That was
Okay, down again.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. 3. That's pretty fast.
Good. 3. Again.
4.
You gotta count when you come up.
Sorry. I already did 3. Now 4.
Come up for 4.
What?
You gotta count the number when you get to the top.
Okay. Okay.
Come up.
Then I'll explode.
Don't pull up. You gotta use your stomach. Use your stomach, not your hands. 4. You gotta say the number and get to the top.
4.
Good job.
1, 2, 3. Pushing your head. 1, 2, 3. That's enough for me.